What's up, guys? We have tested many different headphones on our channel Tech Brothers, including over-ear, on-ear and in-ear. Earbuds are the most popular type of the headphones today, mainly because they are very compact. However, over-ear headphones have many advantages over earbuds. For example, a better sound quality because of the larger driver size, better passive noise isolation and better active noise cancellation, longer battery life, and they are even more comfortable for long listening sessions. The new headphones from the SoundPEATS are not only better than most earbuds, but even over-ear headphones in the under $100 price range. And yet, these headphones cost just $70. Its main features are 56 dB hybrid ANC, 40mm titanium driver, iRes audio and LDAC support, up to 95 hours of music playback, and mobile app with equalizer settings. Let's test the SoundPEATS Cove Pro headphones and see if they are really as good as they look on paper. You know, the box of these headphones is pretty simple, but we can still see its main features on the side and specifications on the back. It looks like the headphones are available in 3 colors: black, gray and white. I have a black one. The package includes headphones, a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, a user guide and stickers. That's it, we have finished unboxing very quickly, so let's move on to the design. As I already told you, I have a black version of SoundPEATS Cove Pro headphones, and they are completely black. Only the letters R and L inside the ear cups are orange, everything else is black. Even the logo on the outside of the ear cups is black, so it is hard to see at first glance. The headphones are made of a very nice matte plastic. It doesn't feel cheap, and I hope it will last a long time. You can adjust the size of the headphones by sliding the ear cups up and down. There are numbers from 1 to 9 here. I think they mean centimeters, right? By the way, the rod in the handband is made of metal, not plastic, which makes it more durable. There is a cushion on the handband made from the same material as the cushions on the ear cups. They are slowly getting back into shape, so I think they are made of memory foam. The ear cups are also adjustable, but only by a small angle of about 30 degrees. If you want to put the headphones on a table, you can turn the ear cups 90 degrees. Although the SoundPEATS Cove Pro headphones do not come with a bag or case for storing and carrying them, you can still fold them up. You know, these headphones look pretty compact, especially compared to my main pair. When unfolded, their dimensions are 210 by 160 by 80 mm. When folded, they are 160 by 140 by 80 mm. The weight of the headphones is 250 grams. As for the size of the cushion on the ear cup, it is 100 by 80 mm, while the inner part is 60 by 40 mm. You know, I find these headphones really comfortable, but they might be tight for people with larger heads and ears than mine. Overall, the SoundPEATS Cove Pro headphones look and feel very decent for their budget price. Now let's talk about the controls. You know, another advantage of over-ear headphones compared to earbuds is the control buttons. They are physical here, and they are much more convenient to use than touch panels. The left ear cup of the SoundPEATS Cove Pro headphones is empty, while all the control buttons are located on the right ear cup, such as ANC button, multifunctional button, volume up and down or a previous next track, and USB Type-C charging port. What's more, you can customize the controls in the mobile app. Let's take a look at it. The application for the new SoundPEATS Cove Pro headphones is called PeatsAudio. Before opening the app, first you need to go to the Bluetooth settings and pair the headphones. After that, you can open the app and the headphones will be detected automatically. Here we see the image of the headphones as well as their battery level. Then we can select the sound mode, such as noise cancelling, normal and transparent. At the same time, there are 5 modes available in noise cancelling mode: adaptive, indoor, outdoor, traffic and anti-wind. In the transparent mode, you can switch between standard transparency and voice enhancement. The app has a special sound effect, but it is not available. It seems the headphones do not support this feature. However, they support a double device connection feature, game mode, dynamic bass, and LDAC. You know, I was wrong. The special sound effect is available on these headphones, but you need to disable LDAC to use it. Now you can select music or movie mode. We will test them out and talk more about sound quality a little later. There are also some more functions available in the app, such as device information, firmware upgrade, reset, find earbuds, switch headphones prompt tone, and prompt tone volume adjustment. You know, I didn't notice the equalizer on the second tap right away. Here you can use the adaptive equalizer. Choose from presets or customize equalizer. Overall, the app has useful ANC and sound settings, but I still didn't see any options for changing the controls. It seems that the control functions cannot be changed, even though one of the images on the official website says that they can. In any case, the app has a game mode, so let's check the latency in games. First, let's play PUBG Mobile with the game mode turned off on the headphones, and then we will turn it on. You know, the latency is huge without game mode. It is almost impossible to play. Game mode reduces latency, but it is still present. These headphones are probably not the best choice for gaming. You know, I didn't think headphones are suitable for phone calls, but maybe I'm wrong. Let's check the microphone quality.
Hey, what's up? I am testing the microphone quality of the SoundPEATS Cove Pro headphones. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
As I expected, the microphone quality is quite poor. Although the headphones have 7 built-in microphones, 6 of them are used for noise cancellation. As for the noise cancellation, it is amazing on the SoundPEATS Cove Pro. I don't think you even need to compare any earbuds to over-ear headphones when it comes to noise cancellation, because the headphones offer both passive noise cancellation through the soft ear cushions and active noise cancellation via built-in microphones. The intelligent algorithm reduces environmental noise by up to 56 decibels. I have only used the headphones indoors, and the noise cancellation works great. I didn't hear any noise from the computer or any noise from the street coming through the open window. However, you can still hear voices, so you don't even have to take off your headphones when talking to someone. I think these headphones are very good for the office, school, college, or other crowded places. Talking about the sound quality of the SoundPEATS Cove Pro headphones, they are equipped with a large 40mm dynamic driver paired with a titanium-coated diaphragm. Most earbuds have only 10mm drivers. You know, the larger driver, the deeper and punchier bass, as well as a higher volume potential without distortion. The bass is really powerful in these headphones. At the same time, the mid and high frequencies are well balanced, resulting in a clear and detailed sound for vocals and instruments. Using the equalizer and presets in the app, you can customize the sound to suit your preferences. As for the spatial sound effect, it makes the sound immersive. It feels like you're at a live concert. There's a bit of an echo, and the sound isn't as clear as in normal mode, but it sounds really nice. Finally, let's talk about the battery of the SoundPEATS Cove Pro headphones. It has a capacity of 750 mAh and provides up to 95 hours of music playtime with ANC off and up to 58 hours with ANC on. The headphones also support fast charging. The company claims that 10 minutes of charge provides 11 hours of music playtime. That's very good. So let's sum up this review. What I liked most about SoundPEATS Cove Pro is the hybrid noise-canceling system. These headphones feature excellent noise cancellation and a variety of ANC modes. The sound quality is also very good, especially the bass. In addition, the battery life, up to 95 hours on a single charge, is great. Perhaps only the microphone quality could be better, but I don't think you will actually use over-ear headphones for phone calls. Overall, if you are looking for headphones with high sound quality, a good noise cancellation and a long battery life, the SoundPEATS Cove Pro is a good choice. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon!